Hey everybody, it's Rick MacDermid here with Senior Solutions Group. I hope everyone is doing well today. I just wanted to touch base with you. Back in 1995, I worked as I started out with long-term care insurance planning in the mid-90s and also had personal experience. For about a year, I worked as a social worker in a skilled nursing facility dealing with families in crisis, and it's very, very near and dear to my heart. I've had a number of clients over the years have unexpected things happen to them. They're healthy one day and then boom, they have something happen unexpectedly, and the cost of care could be, we had a family member here recently, they were spending about $15,000 a month for in-home care 24/7. Very expensive. Nursing homes are about half that in our area. So if you know of someone or want to talk to me about what some options are, traditional long-term care insurance is good for a lot of people. It's not right for everyone. There are some hybrid options too, where you can combine life insurance and long-term care into one hybrid product. So you'll use that either way, whether you need long-term care or not. So if you pass away and never need long-term care, your family gets that money. And it's just there's a lot of information out there, and it can get overwhelming. I'll keep it simple. I'd be happy to talk to you. Rick MacDermid here at Senior Solutions Group.